Alright, boys and girls, we're gonna prank call some people, and it's gonna be hilarious. Let's go.
Myself new phone.
Alright, number is 905 831 Is it dead?
Phone's dead. Sorry, boys and girls.
But we could do this. We have a backup plan.
We're gonna do our next option.
Pretty good.
Number
905 831 8712.
Here we go, boys and girls.
Hello, is Jim there? Jim. Sorry, goodbye.
What did they say?
He said no. I'm gonna redial.
Boys and girls, they said no.
I'm redialing.
He's redialing. Jimmy there. Is Bob there?
Is Jim there? Jim Jazowski. Jim Kadowski. Goodbye.
What did they say?
No.
They said no.
We'll read down once more.
Last time.
Hang up with me. Do this once more. Wait a couple minutes.
He will redial. If they don't say no, he will keep on calling. Battery's half dead already.
What?
He's calling.
You better answer. Hello, this is Jim. Did anyone call for me? Yes. Did anyone call for me? No. No, I am calling to say, did anyone call for me? Jim Kadowski.
What is it?
Cody said Tyler. They caught me.
They caught him.
Alright. That's all, folks. Suck it.